Hi students, we're back. Here is our map skills page. It's page number 53, which is map skills number 27. Just practicing again using our map, being familiar with the oceans, continents, and our compass rose with our directions. Here's your compass rose at the top. We're going to use that today. And they're focusing on U.S. territories. So first thing, let's just answer the questions. It'll walk us through it. Number 1 says, what continent is south of Puerto Rico? We need to find Puerto Rico on the map. I'll give you a hint. If you can find the continental USA in red, right, the United States in red, you see it? Here, it's right here. Puerto Rico, if you kind of go southeast, you'll find Puerto Rico right here. And our question asked us, which continent is south of Puerto Rico? So we start at Puerto Rico and we go south. And what continent do we cross? South America. So for number 1, you're going to write South America. So I'll move my paper up here. And I know many of you like to abbreviate, so if you want to use a capital S for South, you can do that. Okay, so let's look at number 2. It says, what continent is south of Guam? Well, we need to look back at our map. We need to find Guam. Guam is out in the Pacific Ocean. So here's our Pacific Ocean. If we look around, you'll find, oh, here's Guam. We need to find out which continent is south. So I start at Guam and I go south. Which continent do we find? Australia. So for number 2, you should have written Australia. All right, so let's move on to the next question. We'll go back here looking at our map. And number 3 says, if you were in Australia, what direction would you need to travel to get to American Samoa? So right now, see if you can find Australia on your map and find American Samoa. Australia is here, and to go to American Samoa, we're going to travel this way. What direction are we mostly going? We're mostly going east, or you could even say northeast. Okay, both answers would be correct. Good job. Number 4 asks us, which is closer to the United States, Guam or the Virgin Islands? Here's the United States, and we found Guam over here, and you need to find the U.S. Virgin Islands. There they are, right there. So which one's closer, Guam or the U.S. Virgin Islands? On your paper, you should have circled the Virgin Islands. Number 5, in what ocean is Guam located? Okay, here's Guam. What ocean is that? Okay, look at the map. Can you find it? That's right, Pacific Ocean. So on the line for number 5, you should have written Pacific Ocean. We've already had these as spelling words, so you guys know how to spell them. And don't forget your capital letters. And number 6, we're going to practice our using coordinates. In what grid box is American Samoa located? Okay, so we're going to use the letters first and then the numbers. Okay, so we find American Samoa is right here. We're going to come down the side. It's at letter D. And then we're going to go across the bottom with our numbers. So it's in box D3. So you would put the letter D first, a dash, and then the number 3. Great job. So it should look something like that. Number 7, how many miles is it from northern Mariana Islands to the southern coast of California? And they want to know, is it more than 2,000 miles or less than 2,000 miles? Where would I look to find distance on the map? right? And that's part of in our map key, they'll show you us distance. Can you find it here on your map? Yeah, it's right down here at the bottom. So what we would need to do is we would need to measure the distance from the Northern Mariana Islands to the southern coast of California. Here are the Northern Mariana Islands, and here is California. Well, just looking at that, if this is 2,000 miles from here to here, is it going to be more or less to go from here to here? It's definitely going to be more. So you would circle more than 2,000 miles. I bet you got that one. All right. Number 8. In what grid box is Puerto Rico located? Again, here we're going to start with the letters first and then the numbers. So here's Puerto Rico. So I come down. It's in C. And if you look, it's in 6 is the number across the bottom. So you're going to write C-6. All right, good job. One more, we're almost done. If you left American Samoa and traveled to Guam, what direction would you be going? So if I started here in American Samoa and I travel to Guam, what direction am I going? Well, I need to go up here to my compass rose. What direction am I going? I'm starting here and I'm going this way. What did you put? Yeah, hopefully we came up with the right answer. Northwest is the correct answer for this one. All right, so go ahead and get the answers up there. Double check your paper. Most of you probably had this one already done, but a chance to just go back over and make sure you understood how to do that and you got the right answers. Okay, well, let's turn it over and let's do the back. This side of the paper is focusing on landforms. In the box, okay, it lists the different types of landforms. We have the desert, island, lake, oasis, peninsula, volcano, and waterfall. So right now I want you to pause the video and I want you to see if you can label those. In each picture area, they give you a box and they want you to put the letter A, B, C, D, E, F, or G on the box. At the bottom, they want you to match the term, sorry, that's hard to read, the term here with the column that gives the definitions. Like always, we're going to start with the ones that you know that are correct, the ones you know for sure. Do those first and then go back and work on the ones you're not sure of. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video now and do that section. And we're going to come back and we're going to check your answers. So hopefully everyone got that. You're back with me and you filled it in. So let's check your answers. Okay, so we have the desert here, A. Island is over here. C, the lake. The oasis is over here in the middle of the desert, a water source in the middle of the desert. E, we have a peninsula, right, where it has water on almost all sides. Okay. F is up here. We have the volcano. And G, the waterfall. So if you need to correct any of those, go ahead and change your answers now and fix it so you have the right answers. And let's do the matching down at the bottom. Let's see how you did. Okay. Hill. A hill is a raised area of land that is smaller than a mountain. So you should have matched the word hill to the fourth box. Mountain is the second box. Here it says the raised area of the Earth's surface that is larger than a hill. Another land feature is called a plain. And if you think of plains, they're really flat. So that's the last one, a flat or level area of land. River. I'm sure everyone got this one. A large stream of fresh water flowing over the land. A valley is all the way up here at the top. A lowland between hills or mountains. We saw some valleys there at the top of our paper. The last one is volcano. We talked about volcanoes when we were learning some geology. It's a mountain with openings in the Earth's crust through which lava escapes. So if you got any of those mixed up, erase all the way and then redraw the lines to connect them. So I hope that helped, and I'll see you next time. Bye.